everybody and welcome back to our channel. My name is Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be focusing on drawing to solve problems. As we go through these problems, we will go through a series of steps. First, we will read the question. Second, we will ask ourselves, what do I know? Third, what do I need to find out? And fourth, we will draw a diagram to solve our problems. So let's get started. Okay, so remember, the first step is to read our question. Let's go ahead and start reading. Ricky has 10 markers. He let Ruth borrow 3 markers. How many markers does Ricky have left? 2, let's circle what we know. I know that Ricky has how many markers? 10. Very good. He let Ruth borrow how many markers? 3. Okay, so step 2 is done. Remember, our third step is to find out what do we need to know. We need to know how many markers does Ricky have left. So I'm going to go ahead and underline that. How many does Ricky have left? And I know that left means to subtract, right? Okay, so remember, the fourth step is to draw a diagram to solve our problem. So I know that I started with 10 markers as my whole. So let's go ahead and draw 10 markers. To do this, I'm just going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, those are my 10 markers. Now, Ruth borrowed 3, and I know that I want to find out how many I have left, so I'm going to take those 3 away. Let's go ahead and cross out 3 markers. 1, 2, 3. How many markers does Ricky have left? Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ricky has 7 markers left. Great job. Okay, ready to follow our 4 steps again? Number 1, let's read the question. Amy has 7 oranges. She gave 3 away to her friends. How many oranges does Amy have left? So, step 2, circle what we know. I know that Amy had how many oranges at the beginning? 7. Very good. 7 oranges. She gave how many away? 3. 3 away. Okay, step 3 is to check, what do I need to find out? I need to find out how many oranges does Amy have left. Let's go ahead and underline that. Okay, and our 4th step, we will draw a diagram to solve our problem. So I am going to draw 7 oranges because that is what we started with, correct? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 oranges. Okay? She gave 3 away, so we are going to take those 3 away and cross them off. 1, 2, 3. How many does she have left? Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amy has 4 oranges left. Awesome job. Okay, let's go ahead and try our last example. Step 1, read the question. There are 4 dogs at the park. 2 dogs go home. How many dogs are still at the park? Now, if you ever need to reread your question, go ahead and do that. It is perfectly fine, and it's really good to make sure that you know what you're reading. Step 2, what do we already know? I know that 4 dogs were at the park, right? Let's circle 4 dogs. How many dogs went home? 2. I want to know how many dogs are still at the park. Alright, so that was step 3. Now step 4 is to draw a diagram to solve our problem. Let's go ahead and draw 4 dogs because that is what we started with, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? How many dogs went home? 2. Let's go ahead and take those 2 away. 1, 2. So how many dogs are still at the park? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 dogs are still at the park. Great job. Okay guys, so that ends today's lesson on drawing to solve problems. Now I really hope you enjoyed this lesson and found it very useful. Make sure that you use these steps when working with word problems as you will find them very helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!